Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the second style of post-it note holders that I made. These are the ones that are made from 3.5 by 8.5 size scrapbook paper, pretty much same as the ones I showed in my last video. So then I've added extra paper pieces to the sections on some of them to give it more stability and a different look. I watched many different videos on how to make these, so I'm not really sure who to give credit to, but I'll link to the last one that I watched below. Her channel was called Planning with Shalon. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. She has a tutorial similar to the ones that I've made. So yeah, these post-it note holders I've made are mainly from the paper pad called Chalkboard. I love the vintage look of some of these, and here are the here's the paper pad here, if you can see. It's called Chalkboard, and most of the pages are black with the white to resemble the chalkboard. There's cute designs like bicycles, if you can see that, anchors. I love the vintage cameras, which I used quite a few in my post-it note holders. There's some florals and polka dots, some maps. Yeah, just a really nice variety in here. And yeah, so here are the ones that I've made. Here's one here with they just kind of pop open like this. Really cute. And then just kind of closes as it slips under this little camera that I put on it. And I use the pop-up dimensional dots to give it some dimension. And I added these ones on the front to, and I popped them up on the dimensionals as well. It just thought it was really cute. Just a nice vintage kind of a design there. And I've put the paper on the back as well. And then here's another one. This one I just used the chalkboard paper with the camera print on it, and used the Polaroid. I cut that out and then put it on a dimensional. Put a little saying on there that says, "Oh, what fun." I had stamped that out, and then it pops open like this. It's just cute. Goes back under, and it's got the full camera print on the back. They're so cute. Let's see, I did this one. It says Dream, and this is a floral chalkboard paper. And again, I used the dimensionals, and these ones are popped up. I don't know if you can tell, but a little flower cut out in a leaf. And then just opens like that, goes back under, and the print goes right around. Then I did another of the camera ones that I used kind of looks like a wood paneling paper that I put on top of black paper, and used the cameras again. Just really cute. I showed my sons these, and a couple of them really like the vintage look, so they like the cameras and the way those turned out. And then the last one I did was this little birds. This was from a different paper pad, but I thought it was really cute. So just some cute little colored birds like this, and I used just a burgundy background that I put the bird prints on for this one. So yeah, so those are the ones I've done. So it's easy to add your own touch and style, and they make great gifts, and most everyone can appreciate a little post-it note. So I hope you give it a try. So thanks for subscribing and commenting, and I hope you enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.